go. All packed up, all ready to go. We're off.
Morning, and for our final day in Amsterdam, we're here, Amsterdam Central train station, and we are getting a train to go and see some windmills.
2 minutes for our train to Zaandam. It's blurry, Zaandam is on there. I do love these, the double-decker trains. We need these in the UK.
We also need trains that are inexpensive and on time, am I right?
Right, we couldn't find anywhere for our bags, but we have got on another train and we've arrived at Zaanse Schans. Probably haven't said that correctly. There it is. And this is what we're looking for, the windmills. I just saw a little glimpse of one through the building, so we're not far away. There we go, there's the first one. Not the most picturesque one we'll see today, I'm sure, but there it is. A lot of people have come to see today. Now, all the cameras pointed that way. Can only mean one thing. There they are. It's I tell you what, I will say this. iPhone 16, the zoom is better than my actual camera. The windmills are there, and then it's like industry, big road, factory.
I don't know, I sort of expected them to be in the middle of nowhere, and in a way they are. Because over there is just countryside, but here it's like built up, big chaos. And there's so many people. You know, when you see the photos, it's like nobody around, maybe one or two people, a farmer with a pitchfork. It's none of that, it's just lots of tourists and lots of factories.
As you can see, we're in a very beautiful place. Very, very nice. We haven't even really got to the windmills yet. We'll get over there in a bit. But sadly, we have still got all of our bags with us. And that's because the lockers at the train station were not working. And we went into a few different hotels to see if they would store them for us for a couple of hours. We offered to pay, but they said no. So we've still got the bags with us.
So that's a little bit of a shame, but never mind. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful place. We're going to have a little bite to eat. Don't know what we're going to have to eat. Shirley and Joe are getting the food. I've been sent over to reserve the bench. So we'll see. Maybe a bit of bitter ballen. That's one thing that we haven't tried yet. Or the herring. We haven't tried herring yet. There they are. They've brought me some Dutch fries, which I think are just fries. Oh no, there's mayo on there, ketchup and onion.
I've got a bit of company. They think they're getting some of these. Mate, you are dreaming. It's not going to happen. What else have we got here, Joe?
Bitter ballen.
Bitter ballen. This is the one, isn't it, that we need to try. And some churros as well. The Holy Trinity. No, probably shouldn't say that. Say good or say bad?
Very nice.
Oh, well, I think I like it. I just don't really know. It's a bit mushroomy, isn't it? Cheesy mushroom. It tastes like a cheesy mushroomy ball.
Come in here, by the way, this is the footpath, this is the bike lane that all these people are in here, and a minute ago
we saw a crash where some people were walking along and the guy was ringing his bell, and the lady walked right in front of him and crashed into the bike, and they all fell over. But that's because they were in the bike lane, like these people are. So if you come here, use the footpath for your feet, bike lane for your bikes. There you go, you see? Oh, see, look. Exactly my point, look. Right in that guy's way. Didn't think we were going to have time to come here and see this, as you can see. But we made a little trip. I didn't realise it was so close to Amsterdam. I thought we would have to travel a couple of hours out to see this, but it's literally 30 minutes on the train when you're here and you can see it all. So if you're looking for a little day excursion from Amsterdam, I'd highly recommend this. It's yeah, well worth doing. And it's what Holland's known for, isn't it? You know, you think of Holland when you're a kid, you're told about the windmills and the fact that it's flat everywhere. And it is flat everywhere, look at that. It's quite marshy, isn't it? Quite, not boggy, but yeah, marshy. I've enjoyed looking at the windmills. However, I do feel like it would have been slightly more fun if we didn't have the bags with us. I have enjoyed it, but it's busier here than I could have ever imagined. We've seen it, we've done it. So we're heading back now to Amsterdam. before we go home tonight. We're flying home to the UK this evening. So it's been a flying visit.
And for our final meal, we've come back to the restaurant we came to the other night. That's the name of it there on the plate. Burger, Heineken, beef salad, beef salad. That was a superb final lunch. And in case you want to come to this place, there's the main train station. Turn all the way around and go to this little area here. And that's where you want to go for a nice lunch.
Our trip in Amsterdam has come to an end. We've had a wonderful time. I've got to say, Amsterdam has been a real surprise. Like, we didn't really have any expectations. I never really thought I'd come to Amsterdam, but we've come here and we've loved it. And for me, I've got to say, one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. Like, the architecture particularly, amazing. The buildings look stunning. They all look very, very similar, but it gives it that sort of unique flavour. I mean, even look at the ones behind me here. I recommend it to you. I think if you're looking for a little city break, particularly from the UK, this is where you want to come. It's so close. It's a 45-minute flight, so particularly from people living in England, if you want a little couple of days away in Europe, Amsterdam is the place to be. And I, like I said, I've loved it. Really, really loved it. It's been a surprise. I think that's the best thing about it. You go somewhere like New York or Paris, you've got that idea that it's going to be amazing. Amsterdam, I wasn't really sure, but it's been amazing. Really, really good.